Unlock your next gaming adventure without breaking the bank by using Klarna at GameStop. Ever spotted that must-have console or the latest game release at GameStop and wished you could spread the cost? Well, now you can, thanks to Klarna's Buy Now, Pay Later service, making gaming more accessible than ever. First things first, you'll need a Klarna account. If you don't have one, head over to Klarna.com or download the Klarna app from your app store and sign up. €1. It's quick and easy. You'll be asked to provide some basic personal and payment information. Next, navigate to the GameStop website and fill your cart with all the gaming goodies you desire. €1 new games, accessories, or that awesome collector's edition. As you proceed to checkout on GameStop, look for the payment options. You'll see Klarna listed as a payment choice. Selected. This is where the magic happens. Klarna will present you with various payment plan options. You can typically choose to pay in installments, often with 0 interest. Depending on the plan you select and your eligibility, review the options carefully to find the one that best suits your budget. Once you've chosen your preferred payment plan, simply confirm your purchase. Your order will be processed by GameStop, and your payments will be managed directly by Klarna, spread out over a schedule that's easy to manage. And just like that, you've secured your new gaming gear without needing to pay the full amount upfront. Enjoy your games, and remember to check your Klarna app for payment reminders to stay on track. So, go ahead and level up your gaming setup today with Klarna at GameStop. €1 flexible payments for the win.